That piece is done. I think I need to tack that in place first. There. There's a big gap between that piece and that piece there. Same on the other side. Yeah, it seems to come straight down onto there. Yeah. Don't weld it there. No, no, no. That gap is intentional by the looks of it. Ah, I need a few more like that. Straight down. Oh, I need a bit of panel beating there. Straight down. So those two gaps, the gap either side, is supposed to be like that. Okay, now dolly. Dolly, dolly, dolly. No, wait a minute, I've got it here. You don't have to go at it like a bull in a china shop on metal work. 1.2 millimeter and just those few taps have smoothed that out perfectly. I think I'll have to slice down there, get that all in line. That's nice and square. Oh, I think this as well down there. Trouble is double skinned. This goes all the way around. It's double skinned. Last. That extends all the way along there like that. So that piece comes all the way down and across there. Oh, here it is. Here it is. How's that for tin worm? Not bad. Okay, let's get that tacked in position. I need to grind that. Is this little camera still working or not? I'm not sure what the battery's like. It looks okay. Grind, 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 grind. After burning holes in a couple of jackets and dust jacket while grinding, I now have a welder's apron. I'll see what this video's like, and I'll do one using the grown-up camera. Grind, grind, grind. Oh, I need to find some grinding discs. I've run out of grinding discs. Trouble is, there's a piece going there, but that folds around it on the inside. This looks like a strengthening piece. I'll take a photo of the other side and add it in with this video. Helmet on. Well, there was nothing wrong with the MIG welder. It was all me, my brain. Monday morning cold. I forgot that the last time I used either the MIG or the 3-in-1 machine, I used the stick welder for the Austin 7 cylinder block Whatsit. And I was plugging that in and wondering why the MIG wasn't working. Well, I just swapped the plugs around, and now the MIG is working. So let's get to it. So actually, let's make sure first. Yep. Yay! Yes! Well, when you plug the right blasted thing in, it's going to work, isn't it? Check the most obvious first. I should blast it will know. If no machine works, check the plug first and check it switched on and plugged in. I've taken the cover off the Clarke MIG 151 TE Turbo because I hadn't used it for a couple of years before. I've been using it lately, and the motor wasn't working. It was dry connections. All the push-on connections were dry, and they just needed twiddling in and out, on and off, to clean the joint. Okay, now power number 1 is blowing holes. Oh, much better. Much better. Okay, I think that's okay for now. Oops. Yay! MIG welding is not as malleable as oxyacetylene or TIG. So it's very difficult to actually planish it out. You need a grinder. That looks okay. Couple of holes there, that's perfect. Yes, I'm happy bunny. Nice helmet this. Very big viewing area. Battery operated, so you're not worried about ambient light. My other one, I just could not weld in winter. There was just not enough ambient light to power the lens. Very nice. All the adjustment you need. It is Space View WH801 Tool IT. I'm glad I bought this. Okay people, that's it for now. Let's have a look at the other side, see what the other side has done in there. Gas off. Gas is off, gas is off. This Clarke welder, the torch just isn't, the lead on the torch just isn't long enough. There's a good article on one of the welding sites explaining how to replace this with probably 1.5 meters with 3-meter welding cable. Now I need to see, let's take the camera off, see if I can show you. It's going to get highly wobbly because I need to spin the camera off. Going to get very, close your eyes. Okay. That there. I'm replacing this. It's going round behind there, as you can see on that side. I need to look down that to see what the heck's going on. That repair I think will look okay. But that is another story altogether. Look at that horrible patch. It was a lap patch. And look at all the rust underneath that lap joint. And there was 5 pounds of filler. 2.5 pounds either side of filler. See if I can get around. I'll have to edit this. Otherwise everybody's going to be sick. With all this going around. There it is there. That's the patch I'm doing. And there's, look at that. It's just a blasted lap joint and not even cleaned up there. Not even sealed. That's what I'm doing, that's what I'm replacing. So I need to take a planner. Yeah, I need to look down the bottom here. I need to look down there. It's inside there. See, this looks like a reinforcing piece. Just welded straight over that. And there's that gap I was talking about. It's the same down there. It's a gap there, so okay. We will do that replacement and then see what we can do with this. There's no way I'm going to be able to do that unless I add another piece of metal, flat metal on there, and then weld some flat bar on there to give it that strength. So obviously a strengthening piece. I think that's going to be the easiest way of doing it. Yeah, okay. Okay, you're going to get dizzy again. Sorry about that, eh? I'll probably get dizzy while I'm editing it as well. Now, what do I do? Oh, it's lunchtime. So, back after lunch. So, yeah. Yeah, because that goes all the way around and meets up onto the flange there, all the way down, and then that other part curves around it. Yeah, okay. We know what's going on, and that gap is always there, and that gap seems to be part of the design. Well, 1935, hand welded. No robots other than human. Okay, that's it. I may start the other. I'll see what this like. The battery's almost down. It's not so good, this thing. I'll have to put it on charge. Bye for now.